up? What are you doing today?
I'm pulling out the dog's leg because this thing got hit. The whole side, they hit a pole. Let me put the stud in and I'll explain.
What does that do?
This is a stud, and it welds the stud into the metal, and then you get the sliding hammer, and you pull it out.
Okay.
You pull this little
Show me.
wheel thing, put it in, and then when you push it back, it locks it in.
Oh, I pulled it out.
Alright, now, when you remove it, you do it with a cut wire.
What's this?
Well, this is a used door.
Why not a new one?
Because the insurance company was trying to save it from totaling.
Oh.
So we put a used one. Those are the old doors right
Is it in good shape? You mean like from a junkyard?
This is from a junkyard, and it needs a little attention, you know, a couple scratches and a couple things.
Oh, okay.
But it's better than the old ones. So those are old ones.
Yeah, show me.
These are shot. I mean, they hit a pole and scraped it.
Oh, that's done.
Yeah, it's done.
Oh, they're shot.
So we use like the insides of the panels on the other doors because other doors have like a tan interior and the whole rest of the car has black interior. So you use the parts from the old doors from the new ones.
Okay. So what's next here? Was this all the damage? That's it?
No, this whole pillar we had to pull on the frame machine. This
Oh.
thing was all pushed in. So we did that. The hinges were bent, total bad. This was all pushed in and all banged up. So we pulled all of this, and I'm gonna pull these couple things right here.
All right, cool, bro. What are you looking for?